their right, that they deserve to be given their reservation. We have to understand, it is not economics. It is not because they were poor that they were denied rights to education and place in the governance. It is because they were born into particular castes which some people thought was less than them, lower than them, that they were deprived of any right. In this country, even today, there are children who have to drink from different pots in schools because they belong to the Dalit community. We cannot forget the mindset of those children, how insulted they would feel in the same school premises because of the discrimination they face day in and day out. And working places are not above it. When you are a Dalit, when you are an OBC, you still face discrimination. So, it is your birth. You can change your religion. You can change your economic status. You cannot change your caste. Even if you move from one religion to another, your caste, unfortunately, in this country, follows you. And we do not provide reservation for these people. We do not provide reservation for the Christian, Dalits. We refuse to provide the reservation for the Muslims. Sachar Committee has said in its report that how economically and educationally and socially backward the Muslim brothers and sisters of this country are, and especially this government has suddenly developed a great concern and fondness for the Muslim sisters of this country. Being that case, they can empower them by bringing reservation. In Tamil Nadu, we have the DMK government brought 3.5% reservation for the Muslims. The government can do the same and empower the women they claim to be empowering. Sir, and you say that you want to help economically depressed classes. What is happening to the education loans which the UPA government bought? It's nearly been stopped. And the youngsters who borrowed money for their education, today, they are treated and they are not able to repay the loans because there is no employment opportunities. And that being the case, today they are harassed and insulted by the banks like thieves. What is the government doing about that? Without doing anything, without improving employment, without reaching out to those youngsters who've borrowed money for education. They're being harassed without even trying to help them. Nobody even listens to their problems. What is the point in bringing a bill to say that you are helping the economically depressed classes? Sir, this is all in the P.V. Narasimha Rao government. It tried to bring the reservation, but in the Indira Sahani case, the Supreme Court has clearly said that economic criteria should not be the sole basis for giving reservation. And in paragraph 799, the court held that a backward class cannot be determined only and exclusively with reference to economic criteria. It may be a consideration on the basis along with and in addition to social backwardness, but it can never be the sole criteria. But this government is trying to bring a bill only on the sole criteria on economic basis. And this was 8 judges out of the 9 judges have concurred with this view.
You have 5 minutes, please. Please conclude. I have already explained my situation. You have 5 minutes. Please conclude.
Sir, I'm one of the very few voices which is opposing this bill, and I think
right. You have, but my limitation is that we have time limit. Please conclude. Please conclude, Kanimozhi ji. Please conclude. I have my own limitations. I have explained and requested. Please.
Sir, please allow her to complete her speech.
Sir, I have explained the problem which I am facing. Just I am requesting her. Please conclude. Please. No, just she has to conclude. Please. मैं अलाउ माननीय जया जी मैं अलाउ कर रहा हूँ टाइम की समस्या मैंने आप सबके सामने बताई जो हाउस ने तय किया था 8 घंटे मैं उसके तहत रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ प्लीज कंक्लूड प्लीज
Sir, this government can bring
Please.
this bill overnight, saying that it's an election promise, but they will
I am
not
following the norms which has been decided by all of you. Please.
Reservation for women, and
Please.
it's so few women
Please
here,
come on the points and
one of the few
conclude.
women speaking on this bill,
Please
and you
come
do
on the
not want
points
me
and
to speak.
conclude. Please come on the points.
Sir, when our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, moved the first amendment to the Constitution to provide reservation for socially and educationally backward classes, he deliberately denied to include the word economically in the amendment. Sir, today you say 10% reservation for the economically depressed classes. I'd like to know where you got this number of 10%. Has any research gone into it?
Of course not.
Has any study gone into it? No. When the DMK government in Tamil Nadu brought reservations, we had the Amba Shankar Commission, we had different